Ethan was inside his house when the knock came. The house was built into a small green hill. It was round, warm, and quiet. A fire burned softly in the fireplace, and old books were stacked on wooden shelves. The smell of tea and herbs filled the room. Ethan opened the door slowly. The wizard was standing there. He wore a long gray cloak. His hair was white, and his eyes were deep and serious. In his hand, he held his magical staff. The wizard stepped inside and looked around the house.
This place is safe, but safety does not last forever.
The wizard said. They sat at a round wooden table. The fire crackled between them. "There is something you must know," the wizard said. Ethan leaned forward. "People are hunting dragons again," the wizard continued. "Not one or two, many of them." Ethan's face became tense. "They want your dragon," the wizard said, "and they are preparing for war." Ethan stood up suddenly. "A war?" he asked. "Against whom?" "Against anyone who stands in their way," the wizard replied. "They want power." "Dragons are only the beginning." The wizard reached into his cloak and took out an old map. It was made of dark leather and covered in strange symbols. "This map will guide you," he said. Ethan looked at it carefully. "Where does it lead?" he asked. "To a place that has been forgotten," the wizard said. "A place where an ancient ring is hidden." "A ring?" Ethan repeated. "Yes," the wizard said. "This ring is very important. If the wrong people get it, the war will be unstoppable." The wizard pointed to the map. "To reach the ring, you must pass through the Blackthorn forest," he said. "It is dangerous. The forest is alive. It watches. It remembers." Ethan swallowed. "Why me?" he asked. The wizard looked at him closely. "Because you are not afraid of dragons," he said, "and because your dragon trusts you." The room fell silent. "If I take this ring," Ethan said slowly, "can we stop the war?" The wizard nodded. "It will not be easy," he said, "but it will give us a chance." Ethan took the map and folded it carefully. "When do I leave?" he asked. "Before sunrise," the wizard answered. "They are already moving." Ethan walked to the window and looked outside. The night was calm, but something felt wrong.
In the next episode, will Ethan make it out of the Blackthorn forest alive? Who will come to his rescue? And is the danger still closing in?